Grade as well. Good day everyone, I am Judith Estrada, I'm grade 12 home economics student. Study is all about the eating breakfast habit of grade 12 home economics student. The study is to seek to find out why skipping breakfast has been a habit. Nutrition is one of the most essential elements to a healthy long life. What we eat becomes our diet, and our diet plays a major role deciding how will our body function. Eating nutritious, balanced, and right food every day helps our body to be in good physical health. This is the first meal consumed during the day. Missing breakfast is associated with many health problems, reduced performance in cognitive, psychosocial functions, as well as academic learning and achievement of the students. Nutritional disturbances, such as nutritional deficit, reflected in absenteeism from school, doing less at work and at home, and apathetic, irritated, and lethargic. The research has been done by gathering useful information and data through web searching tool Google Scholar. The researcher also conducted unstructured interview to the student as a participant. In the name of Almighty God, who gave us strength and knowledge to complete this research study as part of our course, this has been proved as a grateful experience. We would like to express our gratitude to our subject teacher, Mr. Maurice Kakaling, who gave us this opportunity to fulfill this research study. We are also thankful to everyone who supported us. For that, we have completed our research study effectively and moreover on time. They have given us